It's Sunday, May 10, 2026, and the global power shift is hitting a fever pitch. We've got NVIDIA surpassing entire nations, Alphabet breathing down its neck, and a historic night for Apple TV+. This is the future, in real time. Let's get into it. 1. NVIDIA, the BLICS beating giant economic superpower, as of today. NVIDIA's market capitalization has officially eclipsed the total value of the combined stock markets of the BLICS nations, Brazil, Russia, India, China, and South Africa. The next trillion. CEO Jensen Huang recently projected at least $1 trillion in market opportunity for the Blackwell and next-gen Rubin systems through 2027. Securing the chain. NVIDIA is aggressively securing its supply chain, including a multi-billion-dollar prepayment to glassmaker Corning for fiber optic materials critical for AI data centers. Shifting AI demand. Management reports that demand is evolving from content creation toward reasoning and agentic AI, which requires significantly more inference computing capacity. Infrastructure investment. NVIDIA is partnering with Iran to invest up to $2.1 billion to deploy 5 gigawatts of AI infrastructure. 2. Alphabet, Google, the throne is within reach, closing the gap. Following a massive 43% stock surge since October, Alphabet is now on the brink of overtaking NVIDIA as the world's largest company. Market value. Alphabet closed Friday with a market cap of $4.8 trillion, narrowing the gap with NVIDIA significantly over the last 6 months. Cloud dominance. Google Cloud's revenue rose 63% year-over-year in the first quarter, far outpacing rivals like Microsoft Azure. Custom chip advantage. Alphabet is seeing a major boost from its Tensor Processing Unit, TPU, sales, a custom AI chip advantage its hyperscaler competitors currently lack. Decade-high growth. Alphabet's overall revenue growth hit 22% this quarter, with operating income rising by 30%. 3. Apple, a historic sweep at the BAFTAs, The Studio, record. Apple TV+'s The Studio became the first comedy in history to sweep all major awards in a single season, winning the BAFTA for International category tonight. BAFTA Excellence. Apple landed 3 major wins at the 2026 BAFTA Television Awards, including Writer, Drama for Slow Horses, and Director, Factual for Vietnam, The War That Changed America. Freshman comedy phenom. The Studio is now officially the most awarded freshman comedy ever. Sports premiere. Apple announced that its upcoming documentary series The Dynasty Yukon Huskies will premiere globally on August 21, 2026. Thriller trailer. A chilling new trailer for the psychological thriller Cape Fear was released this week, building anticipation for its summer debut. 4. Microsoft, stalled ambitions in East Africa. Kenyan data center delay. Microsoft's planned $1 billion data center in Kenya has hit a roadblock due to disagreements with the Kenyan government over requested guaranteed annual payments. Negotiation breakdown. Talks with UAE-based G42 and the Kenyan Ministry of Information paused when the government could not meet the guaranteed capacity payment levels Microsoft required. Clean energy focus. The facility was originally set to run entirely on geothermal power, marking a major push for green tech in East Africa. Scaling back, due to the payment dispute. Reports suggest Microsoft and G42 may ultimately decide to scale back the project's total size. Climate goal conflict. Reports indicate Microsoft is considering dumping certain clean energy goals as the massive power demands of AI data centers make them harder to achieve. 5. Tesla. Recalls and regulatory heat. Cybertruck safety alert. Tesla is recalling 173 Cybertrucks, model years 2024 to 2026, due to a cracking rotor issue that could cause the wheel to separate from the hub. Steel wheel defect. The recall specifically affects vehicles equipped with 18-inch steel wheels, where rough roads can strain the wheel stud hole. Mass camera failure. Alongside the Cybertruck issue, Tesla is facing a wider recall of over 200,000 cars for rear-view camera failures. NHTSA oversight. The National Highway Traffic Safety Administration noted that the wheel defect significantly increases the risk of crash and injury. Stock volatility. Despite the recalls, Tesla's stock saw a 3.93% gain recently, as investors weigh its AI potential against manufacturing hurdles. From NVIDIA's nation-sized valuation to the high-stakes drama in East Africa, the tech world never sleeps. Which of these moves is the real game-changer for 2026? Let me know in the comments, smash that like button, and I'll see you in the future.